Welcome back, guys. Netto Expert here, and myself Pushpati Bania, and I will be the mentor toward this all the video. And in this video, I will be explaining about the EUI64 with the example. In the previous video, I have given you the theory about the EUI64. What is EUI64? How does EUI64 process, and how does we calculate the EUI64? And this video I will be showing the practical demonstration to calculate EUI64. Let's take here a router. I will take the router, the ISR 4331. There is another router. To connect this, we will be using is a copper crossover cable. Okay, to connect to same type of devices, we use crossover cable. Cable. Okay, and the format of this router 0 interface, we simply need to click on this router to the CLI, and here you think, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, and you have to do manual or not. So I will be starting no. After that we are in user mode, we will enable. After that we will be knowing the swing, we have to know the interface, like interface brief, uh, interface. Okay, so interface brief, brief. Okay, and so interface will show you the interface of the router 0. Yes, you can see these are three interface: router 0, gigabit, router 0, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0, and 0 by 1, 0 by 2. As you see here, I have connected 0 by 0 by 0 with the interface of the router 1, and the same interface is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. Okay. After that, I will be show the interface 0 by 0 by 0, and now I will be showing you the information about the gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. And after showing that, it's told us that it is down. So to up this interface, we need to go to the configuration mode, and after that we will be tapping down. Go to configuration mode, and we need to go to the interface. Interface 0, and we need to run command no separate command. Now the router is changing the interface. Interface 0 by 0 by 0 just to the state of, and after we again type the show IP interface int. After knowing that the interface is off, then I will typing again the command like 0 by 0 by 0. I will show you the information about the specific interface of the router 0, which is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. And after knowing that, and the gigabit interface is off, the link protocol is down, disabled. And so to do that, what do we need to do? Swipe interface. Okay. By 0 by 0, and IP6 IP6 address. What I'll be doing is like auto configure, and so IP interface like so IPv6 interface, because we have typing the wrong command like the previously, as you see that it is if we have typed the show IP interface brief, that it will show the information about the IPv4 by default. Okay, if IPv4 IPv6, okay, if we type IPv6, then it will be showing the information about the IPv6 regard. You see, here is the link local address. IP80 means local address. Okay, is local address, and what is the MAC address of the IP interface by 0. So IP interface, and you see the information about the IPv6 interface that will be timing interface gigabit 0 by 0. See, is the address. Okay, is the link local address of the particular I that created by the MAC address, which is EUI64. Okay, EUI64. Then I'll be knowing that the particular MAC address. How to see the MAC address? IMTB interface and 0 by 0 by 0, and the line protocol is down. Disable the internet. Disable down. Protocol is down. Internet protocol processing disable. And to know that the to know the MAC address of the particular interface, as you see here is a GUI interface. After if you find the configuration a little bit more difficult, then you can click here the configuration, and after configuration click the particular interface like gigabit ethernet 0 by 0 by 0, and you see this is the MAC address of the particular interface. Okay, gigabit ethernet 0 by 0. Yes, we have particular interface of the here. I have opened the library of this writer, and this is the MAC address. Okay, MAC address, MAC address TR router 0, and router 0, and as you know the bit, the number of bit of MAC address is 48 bit. MAC address is 48 bit address. Okay, MAC is 48 bit address. EUI64 is EUI64 bit address. See, you can is a UI UINIC. It means UI means the interface is designed by the organization. If you have watched the previous video, it will be easy to understand OUI and NIC. Okay, and this will be the OUI, and this will be the NIC. This will be the 24 bit, and the remaining half will be 24 bit, 48 bit. Okay, and UI is 24 bit. Okay, 24 bit is 000 dot C dot. This is OUI. Remaining portion NIC, network interface, and which is 8.1. Okay, and we have separate the MAC address in 24 bit, which is OUI, and NIC is 24 bit. which is host person. This is host person. Host person NIC is the host person NIC, and OUI is a network person. Okay. After that, what will be NIC is 24. You know that UI in EUI 64. In EUI there is 64. There is a 64-bit address which is created by the MAC address of the particular interface by adding the 16-bit in between OUI and NIC. Okay. OUI 16 between and NIC, and the half remaining is 24-bit NIC. UI is OUI is 24-bit. Okay. Manually 16-bit. We'll be writing a 16-bit here, and the plus remaining NIC is 24-bit. And if you put that all together, it will be like 64-bit. Okay. And the 64-bit, 16-bit means 16-bit. What does 16-bit here? As you see that 24-bit, and the below 24 bit will be writing where the 16-bit. 16-bit in hexadecimal bit. This is the hexadecimal value. This is the hexadecimal value of the 16-bit, and we'll be adding that at the below, right? 00 C OY24 value is 00 C. The in EUI64, in IPv6 we will represent by this sign. We do not use that sign. Okay, and this one will be this, and on the remaining is 85. Between them we will be adding bit. Understanding, giving you the concept. Okay, we use this is all the methods. What I'm trying to say is just making the guys simple to understand. This is what is the 16-bit? 16-bit means E. Okay, FFE plus, and the 24-bit of NIC, which is B8.E701. If we created this one, this symbol in IPv6, we have UI 24-bit, 16-bit of E, 24-bit value, and after adding this, we will be getting the what will be getting. We will be getting the this, and like this. After that, this is the 64-bit. After adding the OUI plus 16-bit, after that we have to do things like we have to add. Okay, what we need to do is we have to add the we need to convert this. Okay, we need to convert this first 0 and this one 0 to the in the binary form, as the form of the 2 0 will be, as you see, 1 2. This is a decimal form. It will be 21 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, and second 0 will be 3 4. are all in hexadecimal form. For that, if this 2 bit is 1 and in this binary form, okay, this 0 is hexadecimal form and this one is in binary form. After that, converting this, I will be combining 0 0 this done, and like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, after doing that, from left to right, after going left to right, okay, as I will be writing in the after GOING going left to right, after just right, first what you need to do, you need to FLI flip the FLI. What will be spelling of flip? FLIP. Yeah, FLIP. You just need to flip the seventh bit, okay? Bit bit uh, of, of of this one, okay? Of the first uh, first two hexadecimal, okay? As this is the binary value of this one, of the this one, and we need always to count one. This let me give you the space between this 0, and it will be easy to understand you in this one, okay? Let's flip. If there is 1, you need to flip 0, okay? Look, I'll be writing the case, okay? This is the here is 0, then you have to if like flip to 1 or vice. What you need to guys is, if there is 1 in the 7th position of the bit, you need to flip the bit. If there is 0, then you have to keep 1. If there is 1, you need to keep 0, okay? As we can see there, here is the all the zeros, okay? As we go to the left to right, this is 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit, 5 bit, 6 bit, and 7 bit, okay? 7 bit, here is a 0, then we'll be adding 1. We'll be adding 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's 0. Yeah, don't worry, I'll be writing here, and there is a first bit, okay? Second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit, seventh bit, last one is eighth bit, okay? Eighth bit. As you see that we just need to flip the seventh bit position, okay? You need to just flip the seventh bit position, value, okay? What we need to do, we just need to flip the 7th bit position value. After going left to right way, okay, we are in left side, we will be going to right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, there is a 7 bit, and as we calculated the hexadecimal, the 2 hexadecimal, 20 of hexadecimal is, when we convert into the binary number, there will be 8 bit 80 by converting hexadecimal to the binary number, as we have written that binary number. And after writing the binary number, as you know that we have to feed the 7th bit, 7 bit position, and as you can encounter that there is a 0 value in the 7th bit position, so we have to flip the bit to the 1, and this will be the value of, what will be the value? You know that 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is 7 0. What is the value of this binary number into the, let's guys know let me know if you know. Write in the comment section. This value will be like, this is the binary value. Okay, this is the binary value, so we need to convert that binary into decimal number. Okay, to convert that binary number into decimal number, this binary number is divided into two separate groups, like the 4 part in the first group and the second part in the remaining group. Okay, and this is the binary number. This is the binary number here. Binary number. Okay, binary number is 2. We'll be doing that. Binary number is 2, hexadecimal number. What will be the hexadecimal number? Okay, GXA DECI and then decimal and the year number. Okay, to do that, we need to separate that binary 8 digit into the 4 digit. Like first remaining 4 portion, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the first portion, and the remaining will be the 0, 0, 1, 0 will be the remaining portion. Okay, they will the first portion. This is the binary. If we convert into the hexadecimal number, it will be measured as 0. Okay, and this one will be represented as, if you don't know to convert the binary to hexadecimal number, don't worry. Here I will be explaining it. 2 power 2 will be copying. I will do copy. Very easy to be right. Okay, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, there will be 4 and 0, 1, 2 and 3. To convert binary into hexadecimal number, what we need to do is like simply this. Okay, and what do we have? We have 4 zeros. Like if you represent this number, representing like 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. And what will be the hexadecimal number of hexadecimal number? What will hexadecimal number of this binary is? And here I will be doing this paste. Just tell me guys, be 0. And what will be the hexadecimal of this binary? 0, 0, 1, 0. As we see that, we need to tell that what we need to do is we need to power 3. To power 0 means 1. This means 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. And after that, we also need to same process to convert this binary to hexadecimal. Okay, 0, 0, 1 and 0. And what will be doing this? Here is the hexadecimal output of a binary number will be 2. Okay, after doing that, what we get, we will be getting the 0 and 2, and we will be getting the 0 and 2 as we have separated this to 0, and after flipping this weight value, we will be getting the 0, 0. And what will be the final result of EUI64? And as we know that after flipping that, we will getting the 0, C, and we'll be writing the same number like as it is. This will be the output of EUI64. Okay, and this is the IP address of link local IP address, and in front of it will be adding like FE80. This one will be the link local IPv6 address after doing EUI64 process from the MAC address. Okay, this one. And mostly by default, as we know, there is a 7th position value will be 0. Okay, and it's like the link local address and global address. Okay, there is 1 and 0, there is a different meaning. Okay, of the 7-bit portion 0 and 1. What is the meaning of 0 and 1? Okay, in this 7-bit position, if in the 7-bit position there is 0, which means by default it is in linked local address on local, and if you have replaced that 1 in address as global layer. And after getting this will be the final output of the EUI64, as the MAC address of the particular router interface is this one. And as we know, as we will be comparing our output with the example, yes, here is a Cisco packet tracer, and this one is the CLI interface of router 0, and we will have enable. After that, so IPv6 interface will be SUS. We see here, let me minimize this one. And what is the output of, look, we can compare this, okay guys, this and this value at output of the router interface FE80 and 020C and 85FF and FEB8 and A70. As we know that the leading 0 will be removed. Okay, if you know the rule of IPv6 address to minimize that will final output will be 20C 85FF and FFB8 A701. Okay, leading 0 will be eliminated, so the final output and the final link local address by the process of doing EUI64 will be this one. Okay, this one, as we have converted this final output MAC address from this MAC address. EUI64 this address is the link link local ADDRESS, okay? And this address is the MAC address. See, MAC address, okay. This one is the MAC address. After doing EUI64, we have processed that EUI and that MAC address EUI64 process. After that, we have our output in the form of link local address. This one is the final outputs, guys. Hope you guys have understand the EUI64 process, how to do it. And if you guys have any doubt and the confusion related to this video, feel free to reach me to the comment section, or feel free to reach me to the social media platform. So guys, this for today video. Hope you guys understand it and have a good time. See you in the next video.